Hey guys, I am back with a simple and quick stuffed mushrooms recipe, which is restaurant worthy and at the same time has excellent health benefits. For this recipe, we will need few sprigs of thyme, 2 to 3 sweet peppers, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, tomatoes for garnishing, 10 to 12 mushrooms, cilantro for garnishing, half a jalapeno pepper, 2 spring onions, butter, and cheese. You can use any kind of cheese, mozzarella, cheddar. I'm using Swiss cheese here. We will start by washing the mushrooms. I have already washed mine, so now I am just twisting the stems out from the mushrooms and use them in our filling. Now we will finely chop the mushroom stems. Mushrooms are a good source of vitamin D. When eaten raw, they feed friendly bacteria in the gut. They have powerful antioxidant properties and anti-cancer properties. They boost the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells in the body. Now finely chop the green onions, jalapeno pepper, sweet peppers, and garlic. Now we will boil the mushrooms in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. For this, we will need water in a pot and add some salt to it. While the mushrooms are boiling, we will make the stuffing for the mushrooms. For this, we take butter in a pan and add garlic to it and cook it until it's light brown. Add finely chopped mushroom stems and cook until it changes its color and is soft. Now add sweet peppers and onions and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add few sprigs of fresh thyme, cilantro, salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. Now we remove this mixture into a bowl and allow it to cool. After 7 minutes, strain out the mushrooms and pat them dry. We don't want our mushrooms to dry out while baking, so we will brush some olive oil on top of it before baking. Coming back to the stuffing, after the mixture has cooled down, we will add cheese. This will make sure that our cheese does not melt before it is stuffed into the mushrooms. Now we will fill the mushrooms with cheesy stuffing and place them on the tray to bake. Add extra cheese on top of the mushrooms before baking. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the mushrooms for 20 minutes. Our stuffed mushrooms are ready. Garnish with some fresh cilantro and enjoy. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.